Hi friends, this is Devansh, and if your laptop keyboard is not working, then in this video I am going to help you to fix the error. So there can be two reasons behind this: software related problem and the hardware related problem. So basically in this video I am going to tell you the methods which can help you to fix the software related problem. But if you are having a hardware related problem, so what you can do, firstly try to clean your keyboard, because dust and dirt can be the one problem. And also second workaround can be just move your laptop upside down and try to tap it at the bottom. Sometimes this won't work. So these are the two ways, just try it, and if it doesn't work, then you can perform all the methods which I am telling you in the coming video. So let's begin. So firstly, go to the start option, and from there you will find the setting button. Click on it and open the settings screen. Then you have to go to ease of access tab. In ease of access, you will find you have to scroll down and go to the keyboard option. Once you click on keyboard, you have to click on use your device without a physical keyboard, use the on-screen keyboard. Click on it and this will open the on-screen keyboard. Once the on-screen keyboard get open, what you have to do, you have to come out. So this keyboard will be helpful till the time your laptop keyboard is not working. So if you need to type anything, you will use this. So we will go there in the search option, and with the help of this keyboard we will type device manager. Anyways, in the suggestion you will already start getting the device manager, so go into it, and in device manager go to the keyboard option. Behind the human interface devices you will find the keyboards. Go there. So what we have to do now, we have to basically update our keyboard device. So this can be one reason our keyboard is not working. So there are two options showing in my system. So I am going to update both the device one by one. Click on update device, then browse my computer, then let me pick the device, select the device name, click on next. Once you click on next, the device will get updated like that. You will receive a message, Windows has successfully updated the device. After that it will suggest you to restart your computer. But before restarting, let's update all of the devices present in the keyboard, so that in one restart everything will get working again. So we will browse our computer again, choose a device and update it. Perform the same operation for the another device present inside that SD compatible device. Click on it. So like this way I have updated all the keyboard devices. After that I will just go and restart my computer. Similarly, you also go and restart your computer, and after that check if you are able to use the keyboard again or not. Now even after the update, keyboard is not working, then we will try to uninstall it. For that again we will go to device manager, search device manager again, open the device manager, and again we will go to the keyboard option, and this time right click on the keyboard device and click on uninstall device, and click on uninstall to uninstall the device from the system. And after that just go and restart your system again. Once you restart your system again, this will install the new driver, and then again try and check if the device or keyboard is working or not. Now the next method is we will use the task scheduler to fix the keyboard. For that, open the on-screen keyboard and type task scheduler to search the task scheduler in the search option. Once you find the task scheduler suggestion, you have to open it. So open the application. Once the application get open, at the left hand side you will find the folder option. Just open the Microsoft folder here, and in the Microsoft folder open the Windows folder. In Windows folder you have to scroll down and find the text service framework. So in the text service framework, open it, and then at the right hand side you will find the selected item option. Make sure this is enabled. If it is not enabled, enable it, and after that you have to click on run. For my case it is already enabled. Once this is done, what you have to do, you have to come and restart your system. Once you restart your system again, go to the start option, click on restart to restart your system again. So once you restart your system, check the keyboard is working. Now the next method is, we will open the task manager and we will try to end the Cortana task. For that, open the task manager and search Cortana and click on end task. Once you click on end task, just go and again try to use your keyboard and check it is workable or not. So these are the methods which can help you to fix the error. If any of this method help you, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.